So is the petitioner required to attend the U.S. Embassy interview? Hi, I'm attorney Megan Pastrana of Immigration for Couples, and my firm is dedicated exclusively to helping couples across the nation and across the world in navigating the U.S. immigration process. I invite you to select the subscribe button below so you do not miss out on important updates and newly released videos. I regularly post videos on this channel because I know how important it is for you to have information and clarity on your journey. And we also host a weekly live immigration attorney chat. So you'll want to also be sure to follow our Facebook page, Immigration for Couples. The live event is hosted on Facebook and on YouTube, and it's an opportunity for you to ask me your questions live, so you won't want to miss it. So let's dive into this particular question. Part of the U.S. visa process for a spouse visa case or a fiancé visa case involves an interview at a U.S. embassy or consulate abroad. During this interview, the immigration officer will ask the immigrant beneficiary questions about his or her immigration background and questions about the relationship. So for this interview, it's only an interview for the immigrant. The petitioner actually is not required to attend. And really, in most cases, most U.S. embassies and consulates won't allow anyone in the interview except for the immigrant for security reasons. So no, the short answer is no. The U.S. petitioner is not required to attend that interview. There are some very, very limited circumstances where the immigration officer at that U.S. embassy or consulate might require a petitioner to attend. I've represented thousands of clients going through the spouse and fiancé visa process, and that's something that happens very rarely. I'd say 1 in 1,000, right? It's very, very rare that the petitioner would be required to attend. The reality is that it's not a requirement unless that immigration officer on that particular case would require that petitioner to attend. The U.S. embassy or consulate interview is really, again, just an interview for that immigrant beneficiary to check their immigration history, their background, their eligibility, and to ask the immigrant questions about the relationship. Depending on your case type, there might be future steps called adjustment of status for the fiancé visa, where you both as a couple would go in and be interviewed as a couple together. Thanks so much for watching. I invite you to check out our free resource center at immigrationforcouples.com. We have a free relationship evidence guide and tons of free resources, whether you're just starting out or in the middle of your immigration journey. Thanks for watching.